Hello friends, till now we have seen about the drawing of face using the grid method, the drawing of turban towel texture and the drawing of eyes, wrinkles and forehead. Now I am proceeding towards the drawing of nose and mouth in this part 6 of the portrait series of beautiful old women. So let's get started. I have already drawn this wrinkle line using grid method in part 1. Now I am darkening these lines. For gaining the real skin tone, do the random dots at the nozzle area and then fill the area with the pencil, medium charcoal pencil, and then blend it. Now give the second layer to the line with the medium charcoal pencil so it won't look directly a line only, and blend it properly. Now to enhance the wrinkle lines at nose, highlight with the Tombow Mono eraser like this. Again the third layer of pencil at some area. Now after the first layer, again I am repeating the lines with the dark pencil. You can watch the lower nose carefully that how I am doing the light and dark shading at the nose area. For doing the portrait, ideally we have to use the sharpened pencil all the time. But I am little lazy in sharpening the pencil, but I can manage it with little sharpened pencil also. But I recommend you to keep the 2-3 extra sharpened pencils with you and use sharpened pencil as much as possible. At the middle portion of nose, drawing the dots is very important. So do the dots 2-3 times and blend it properly. You can do it little randomly also and following this your reference pic also. Here I want tiny dots for skin texture, so I am using here electric eraser. After using electric eraser, very lightly place a layer of pencil. If you have any query, you can comment me in comment box. You can see the light portion at the middle nose. At the light portion here also I have done 3 layers of the pencil and blending. For highlighting, you can use both erasers simultaneously, the Tombow Mono eraser and electric eraser, whichever is comfortable to you. Ideally, I have to do the cheeks first, but I will do it later on. To show you the drawing of mouth, I am proceeding towards the mouth area first. Always blend the light area first and then proceed to the dark area. Otherwise, you have to clean the blending stump again and again. Now giving the texture at the upper lip. highlighting the middle upper lip area. Here the upper lip is very thin and just below the upper lip the tongue start a very thin line of upper lip. So I have to do here very carefully. Now highlighting the lip at one side only. See, now making the lip line, erasing little and do the layer of pencil and little blend it. This is how the drawing of nose and mouth is done here. Hope you like it. Please do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. We'll meet you in next part. Bye. Take care.